This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making lemon cake. I'm going to need 1.5 cups flour, 1 1/3 cup sugar, 1 cup powdered sugar, a cup of Greek yogurt, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is get our lemon juice and our zest prepared. So I have a cheese grater. I do not have a zester, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to zest. I'm going to set that aside, and juice. Almost. We're going to take these and set them aside until we're ready for them. We're going to whisk our dry ingredients together. We have 1.5 cups of flour. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to whisk these together. And we're going to set them aside. Now we're going to whisk together our cup of yogurt, lemon zest, a cup of our sugar. We're going to use the other 1/3 of a cup for the topping, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 eggs. We're going to whisk this together till the ingredients are completely combined. We're going to whisk together our wet and dry ingredients. Once all your ingredients are mixed together, we're going to take our 1/2 cup of oil and we're going to pour it in and we're going to mix it together. We're going to take our batter and put it inside a prepared 9x5 bread pan. So I have mine buttered, but you can use cooking spray as well. We're going to bake this for 15 minutes on 350 degrees. While our cake is baking, I'm going to go ahead and start with the icing. I'm going to take a cup of powdered sugar and mix it together with our 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And we're going to have to mix that together or stir that for a little bit to blend this completely. And there we have our lemon icing. We'll set this aside till it's time to put it on. We're going to set our cake on a cooling rack and let it cool for 10 minutes. While our cake is cooling, we're going to heat up 1/3 cup lemon juice and 1/3 cup sugar. We're going to heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once our cake is cooled for 10 minutes, we're going to pour our sweetened lemon juice over our cake and let it soak in for 10 minutes. Now we're going to take our icing and put it on top. This lemon cake looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Have a great day, and thank you for cooking with me.